Hey guys, just a quick one today. I want to show you a shoot that I did recently at a laundrette that's near me in Essex. I spotted it one day when I was coming home from London and I was like, this is so cool. I've always wanted to do a laundrette shoot. But because I lived in such a rando area, I always feel weird about asking models to come all the way out here to shoot in a laundrette. But Amy, that I shot the Eccleston Yards video with, actually lives a couple of stops away from me. So we were like, yeah, let's totally do it. So firstly, we got absolutely mad lucky and Amy brought along an orange top with an orange hat without even knowing the colour of the laundrette. I never showed it to her beforehand. I just said there's a laundrette near my house and we talked about kind of putting together a few different looks. I'm thinking a bit more vintage and casual. I just absolutely love monotone, colour on colour. I just think it looks so sick. And obviously the t-shirt itself that she's wearing is like super 70s, like hippie vibes. And then in a few of these, we're getting a very nice reflection coming off the metal, which I was absolutely loving. Just adding a bit more colour and just a bit more vibe into the picture. And then Amy, being the absolute bloody weirdo that she is, was like, yeah, I'm gonna climb inside the dryer. And I was like, go for it, like, why not, let's fucking do it. And actually, this one ended up getting featured on UK Portraits, which is one of my favourite Instagrams that I followed since I began doing photography. They basically post all their best and favourite portraits from UK photographers, and I never knew how to get featured on there or what their criteria was because all their pictures were just so sick. But yeah, they ended up picking this and posting it on their page, and my mentions blew up that day, so that was sick. Thank you guys for putting that up for me. Here, Amy's just crushing it. There are some where she's just like laying on top, but her face is so expressive and there's a lot of drama in these pictures and a lot of emotion, and it's just absolutely slaying. Yeah, all in all, I'd say some of these ones where she's laying down on top of them and the one where she's inside of them, they were probably my favourite from the whole set. But yeah, we got some absolute bangers that day, and it was just a quick video to kind of show you guys some of that because I was really proud of this shoot, and luckily we took some BTS, so I thought I'd just throw it into a little video to kind of show you what I've been getting up to shoot wise. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. The link to all the images in my Google Drive is in the description below, as well as the links to both our social media, so go and check us out on that. I'm going to be posting a few more of the short ones away from London shoot locations just because, well, it's actually not in London, this one, and also it's just a random quirky location that I've always wanted to shoot in and just thought I'd show it off. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Too sweet.